Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Vegan Dose. Today we're diving into the world of dining out as a vegan. It can sometimes feel like searching for a four-leaf clover, but don't worry. I've got you covered with my top tips to make your vegan dining experience easy and enjoyable. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more awesome content. Tip 1, research, research, research. All right, y'all, you're craving a delicious meal out, but you don't want to end up somewhere with limited vegan options. It's like showing up to a party and realizing you're the only one not invited to dance. Before heading out, take a few minutes to do some research. Check the restaurant's website for menus, look for dedicated vegan sections, and don't hesitate to call the restaurant directly. The staff is usually more than happy to answer your questions about their vegan options. Online review platforms like Happy Cow and Yelp are lifesavers. Filter restaurants by dietary restrictions and read reviews from other vegans. It's like having a friend who's already scoped out the place for you. Tip 2, the menu is your friend. You've done your research, picked a restaurant, and now you're seated at your table. Time to get acquainted with the menu. Don't be shy about asking your server any questions you have. Start by letting your server know that you're vegan, which ensures any potential cross-contamination issues are addressed. If a dish sounds tempting but you're not sure if it's fully vegan, just ask. Sometimes, the most unexpected dishes can be made vegan with a few simple substitutions. For example, swap dairy milk for almond milk in a pasta sauce, or request a dish without cheese. Get creative and ask for what you want. Tip 3, speak your truth kindly. Communication is key to a happy dining experience, especially with dietary restrictions. When you tell your server about your vegan lifestyle, do it with a smile and a positive attitude. They're on your side and want you to enjoy your meal just as much as anyone else. Explain that you don't consume any animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs. Be clear and concise, but also kind and understanding. If you have any allergies or sensitivities, be sure to mention those as well. You deserve to enjoy your meal safely and comfortably. Tip 4, spot the vegan symbols. Menus can sometimes feel like you're trying to decipher a secret code, but don't worry, there are often little clues to help you spot vegan-friendly options. Many restaurants now use symbols or abbreviations to indicate vegan dishes. Look for a V for vegan, a leaf symbol, or a statement like plant-based. These symbols take the guesswork out of ordering and give you peace of mind. If you're unsure about a particular symbol or abbreviation, don't hesitate to ask your server for clarification. They'll be happy to explain what it means and ensure you're ordering something you'll love. Tip 5, find your vegan tribe. One of the best things about being vegan is being part of a global community of compassionate and supportive individuals. Joining vegan dining groups or forums can be a game changer. Members share their favorite vegan-friendly restaurants, dishes, and tips. You can ask for recommendations, read reviews, and connect with other vegans passionate about food. Social media is another fantastic resource. Follow vegan influencers, bloggers, and restaurants in your area to stay up to date on the latest vegan offerings and events. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Tip 6, you've got this. There you have it, love bugs. I hope these tips empower you to dine out with confidence and enjoy every bite of your vegan adventures. Being vegan is all about kindness, compassion, and enjoying delicious food. So go out there, explore new restaurants, and savor all the amazing plant-based options that await you. Don't forget to share your own dining out tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always be kind to yourself, kind to others, and kind to our planet. Until next time, peace and love.